Hello everybody, here is it. We come on to your YouTube channel and you go on and press this short here. You can see this signal. You press the short.
Hey guys.
Press this short.
Stupid people always say no.
You scroll and then like this video now for example, and then you went ahead and press. It's either you press remixed or you press this the person profile down at the left side, and then you wait and you press this, use this sound. That's how to navigate, how to see the YouTube AI feature. When you can see that he has bring these signs out. So you went ahead and pressed this magic button up there. I was actually recording and it stopped voice record there, so I have to do this overlay voice record. So you pressed it. When you press that magic signs that has, yes, you can see it has navigate, and then you wait for it to bring out the future, and you're going to see it's different kind of AI feature that you can use, whether you want to create a picture, you want to make a picture to generate a video, you want to make your image to make a body move swap, or you want to also actually generate a long video. You can decide it anyone you want to do. So right now today I'm going to show you how you can make your picture to move, body swapping, and make it a different kind of activities you wanted your picture or your video to look like.
It will bring
so now
out
you have to wait and select
styles.
the one we want.
Different motion that you would love to make your picture or your video to look like. You can see it has different style, different motion that you can actually choose. Maybe you want it to fight like karate, or you want it to dance cha-cha dance, or you want it to dance hip-hop, or you want it to jump. So you have to choose anyone. Now let's choose this hip-hop combo. After you press this there, it will bring us this sign. As you can see that immediately I press it, it brings us this signs here. It say upload one full body photo. Then you have to go ahead and press the plus signs, and then you went ahead and pick your picture that has full body. So like this, let me use this. Okay, and then we press this arrow and we wait for the magic to happen, and you can see me dancing like that with my picture only. That is simple steps that you can actually use, and you can body swap and also add different motion onto your picture or your videos on YouTube without not using any other apps, any other AI apps. And you can actually do that with your YouTube apps on your mobile phone. Then let's wait for the magic to happen and see what we have got here.
Here's it. Can you see what we got? So we go ahead and press done. So that is the step-by-step process.
Free to subscribe to this channel, press the notification button, and engage with this video by giving it a thumbs up.
And on my next video, I'm going to teach and show you how you can actually create a long video using this AI feature, and how you can download it on your phone, and then you went ahead and edit it and have a very full long video using this AI step-by-step details. You can see what we got, see how it's dancing, and go ahead and press this done button, and then we wait for it to upload onto our YouTube. Now you press the next button, and then it will start to upload on your mobile phone. Now here we are, and then you press the upload shots, like, and then you're going to see that it starts to upload onto your mobile phone. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Do well to share it on to your friends that you also know that they are looking for apps that will actually have different kind of pro that you have to update it to pro before you can use your body swap. By you telling them that YouTube you can actually do that, so it will save a lot. Thanks so much. See you on my next video. Bye.